Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I will tell you about the factory data reset to your device Vivo T1x. So in this device, if you want to learn to wipe up all the data, or if you want to learn how you can remove all the data, or you can say how you can factory reset the data, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you in this video. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the factory data reset in your device. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video.